The Akan people are an ethnic group native to the West African subregion, which is primarily located in modern-day Ghana, Ivory Coast and Togo. They are one of the largest ethnic groups in Africa, with a rich cultural heritage and history. These are not just any people, they were a family of families, each with its own special stories, traditions, and languages. In West Africa, there are different groups within the Akan family, like the Ashanti, Fante, Akyem, and Akuapem. Each group added its own unique touch to the rich texture of Akan culture. The Akan people are like a big loving family. They cherish spending time together, especially with their elders, who held the wisdom of generations. Respect and love flowed through their communities like a gentle river, connecting each member in a web of shared history and traditions. These beautiful people have a deep connection to the spiritual side of life. They believe in Nyomi, a mighty and loving presence that watches over them. Alongside their faith in Nyomi, some Akans also embrace Christianity, finding harmony between their traditional beliefs and the teachings of this new faith. But what makes the Akans truly special is their creativity. They are artists painting the world with their vibrant colors and intricate designs. Imagine beautiful cloth woven with care, like kente, adorned with symbols that held stories of courage, wisdom, and love. These symbols, known as adinkra, are whispers of the past echoing through time. In the heart of Akanland, a kingdom stands tall and proud, the Ashanti Empire. It is a place of magic and power, where wise leaders guide their people, and brave natives defend their culture. The Ashanti Kingdom is a shining example of what the Akan people could achieve when they worked together. The Akan people were not just characters in a story, they were real-life heroes, shaping the destiny of their land with love, creativity, and a deep connection to their roots. And so, the story of the Akan people continues, a tale woven with threads of unity, tradition, and the boundless spirit of Akans.